Hey, sweet cookies. How you girls doing today? Today we're back for another fun video, another fun unboxing. You guys know how much I love Signature Coach. Today we're doing a Signature Coach unboxing. I have two lovely items that I wanted to talk about today. So let's go ahead. Let's jump right in. Let's jump right in, ladies. The first item that I have came to me. This is the way she was delivered. The box got really beat up. So I just figured we would start with the bag today. So this is the way my lovely item was delivered to me. Go ahead and take her out. She came with her paperwork right here. And this is a lovely Coach backpack. So you guys know I love the Coach backpacks in my handbag collection. Once again, I ordered this beauty from Coach Outlet online. And this is the Coach West pack in signature canvas. She is so pretty. Look at her, you guys. This is a unisex bag. I love the unisex backpacks for Coach. They come so in handy for days when you're at the grocery store and you need something that you could just throw on and go. So this is the way the bag was delivered to me. And here she is. This is my first time seeing her. Ooh, I really like that. I really like the signature canvas on her in this color. This is so nice. I also have the Coach Signature Pack Edge Pack backpack. That's a tongue twister. It's called the Coach Signature Edge Pack, which is a larger brown canvas khaki signature backpack. This one is a little bit smaller, you guys. So this one will be able to grab and go. And this one, even though it's sold in the men's section, it's very nice for a lady because look at that thin strap. You get a very thin strap with this one, and that's what I like about it. So let's go ahead and take off some of this so we can really take a look at that strap. Okay, so here she is with some of her packing removed. Go ahead and take off as much of this as I can so we can go ahead and enjoy this beauty. She's going to be able to hold a lot. I'll be able to use this when I go to the grocery store, if I'm going to World Market or Mariano's or wherever I'm going to go do Whole Foods, wherever I'm going to go do my shopping. This is what she looks like right here. Here's her lovely tag. I'm going to go ahead and cut her tag off. So here's her lovely tag right here. Let's go ahead and cut that off. I'm going to save it for later for the information on it. This lovely bag has a zip compartment in the front right here. It has the main zip compartment right here. She's brand new, so she's kind of hard and stiff right now to get it out of her. I'm going to go ahead and break her in. But I just wanted to do the unboxing of this baby on camera. She has two double zips. She has double zips right here. I'm trying to take that foam off. There we go. So this is what she looks like. Now, she doesn't have a back pocket compartment. Now, the other larger backpack that I have, I will come back and do a comparison of these two backpacks. I'll compare her against my larger Coach Signature Edge backpack. This West pack is smaller. It doesn't have any pockets in the back or on the side, like on that larger backpack. This one only has the front pocket compartment, as well as there's a lot of stuffing in there. But when we come back, I'm going to go ahead and go all the way in here so we could see, the interior and what all this baby can hold. My other larger backpack can even hold a water bottle along the side here. This one doesn't have the side pockets for your water bottle. So in my opinion, the larger one would be able to be for like somebody biking or camping or something like that. This one is just for grab and go because it's much smaller. Okay, so next I wanted to go ahead and do an unboxing of something that I purchased to match this lovely bag right here. And here it is, none other than some Coach Signature gym shoes. They're Coach Signature runners. Let's go ahead and take a look at them. They're as well. They are also in the black signature canvas. So let's go ahead and do an unboxing of these. These came from Coach Outlet. They're being offered right now on Coach Outlet, and they are so nice for men or for women. Here they are. If you are a lady like myself, go ahead and size down. You want to size a little bit smaller by at least one size. And of course, for men, they fit true to size. So this is the way they came with the plastic in there. So nice. These are going to look so nice together. Let's go ahead and take these beauties out. They're so pretty. Okay, so now you can see here they are right here. They are a lovely pair of Coach gym shoes. They're called Citysole runners. And you can use these for physical activity like running, working out, hiking, biking, or you could just go ahead and wear them if you just want to be, if you just want to go ahead and wear them for style. They would look very, very nice to wear casually. These are so pretty. They do say Coach on the back of them right there, and they're all blacked out. They're like black on black. The soles run right into the canvas. They're black on black, unlike the brown CC, signature sole gym shoes. They run right into each other. So this is what they look like together. Now there are the lovely browns as well. This is what they look like together. So nice. They're going to be so nice. Such a lovely set. This is what they look like with the canvas. That black canvas is so beautiful. I love the brown khaki as well. You guys know I love the khaki and the redwood, but this black Coach signature canvas is so pretty as well. A very nice matching set together. These are going to be so, so nice to wear casually or for a workout. So this is what the bottom of the soles look like. Make sure I have it the right way so you can see that. That's what the bottom of the soles look like. And they're just lace up. Now, unlike the boots, the Coach Citysole boots in signature, they're not just laced up like the gym shoes. They have a zip. So you can lace them or unlace them to get your foot in and out, or you can go ahead and they have a zip on the side right here. Let me show you. Move it over so you can see. They have the zip that makes it very comfortable and easy to get in and out of with the boot. The boots you can wear all year round. You can wear them in the wintertime or in the summertime. Of course, they come in handy during the winter seasons, and they also have that sole that Coach is doing right now. This sole is supposed to be able to help prevent you from slipping, even if you step on like oil at the gas station. This Citysole is made and conditioned. I did a little bit of reading up on it. And it's to help to prevent you from slipping. So they come on the boot as well as on the gym shoe with the Citysole rubber. And that's something that Coach is known for right now. Every shoe just about that you look up, all of their athletic running shoes have this Citysole bottom that prevents you from slipping. Prevents you from slipping and sliding, you guys. So thank you, lovely ladies, so much for joining me for this video. Today, I just wanted to come on camera and do a lovely unboxing of both these items right here. And remember to like, comment, and subscribe on my channel. Stick with me for more videos on Coach, and I'll see you ladies soon in another video.